Very good morning, all of you. Welcome back again in the next session of our practical. And today we will be making carrot cake with a cream cheese frosting. For that, the ingredient which we need here. First, I will tell you the ingredient. For the carrot cake, we need grated carrot here. I have already grated it. I have flour here. I have already sifted the flour. I have sugar here, castor sugar I am using. I have eggs here, 2 eggs I am using. I have 100 ml of oil here, refined oil I am using here. For the frosting, I will be using icing sugar. I have mascarpone cheese here, cream cheese. I will be using butter, that is unsalted butter. The ratio is 50 gram of butter, 100 gram of mascarpone cheese and 100 gram of icing sugar I will be using. I will flavor it with a little bit of lemon zest. I am also using cinnamon powder here that will enhance the flavor of our carrot cake. So let's begin with our preparation. First we will make cake, we will bake it, then we will do the frosting for that cake. For the cake I will be using 2 eggs here. I have 150 gram of castor sugar here. Let's mix it nicely till all the sugar get mixed and it will be in a foamy texture. Here you can see egg is already mixed with the sugar. It is in a creamy texture. Now I will add oil into it. I am using 100 ml of oil here. Mix it. Add little bit of vanilla essence, few drops. Mix it. Now I will add refined flour here. This is already sifted. I am using 125 gram of refined flour here. Now add around 3 gram of baking powder. Around 3 gram of baking soda I will be using here. Mix it. Here we have to fold it. Fold it nicely. Now add grated carrot here. I will be using 125 gram of carrots here. Add a pinch of cinnamon powder. Mix it up nicely. Don't overmix, just fold it. Now it is ready. I will pour it into the prepared mold I have already here, that I already greased, and line it with a parchment paper, butter paper. We can now pour our mixture into the prepared mold. dab it nicely so that it is spread evenly. Now we are going to bake it. I will bake it for 170 degrees centigrade for around 25 to 30 minutes. My oven is already preheated, so let's put it for baking. Now our cake is baked. Now I will be going to make a frosting for it, which we will be going to layer it and also do the topping with the cream cheese frosting that I am going to make now. Now start preparing our frosting. For the frosting I will be using icing sugar here. 100 gram of icing sugar I am using here. 50 gram of butter. Here I am using 50 gram of butter. I am using unsalted butter here. Mix it. I am adding little bit of vanilla essence. Little bit just. Now add cream cheese into it. 100 gram of cream cheese I am using here. Mascarpone cheese. Mix it till the smooth texture. I will add little bit of lemon zest. I have added little bit of lemon zest into it, which will give it a hint to our cream cheese frosting. Now it is ready. Now we will do the layering and topping of our carrot cake. Let's remove this upper crust. Not too much, just a little bit of crust. Now cut it in from the center. Now put the cream, one layer of our cream cheese frosting. Spread it evenly. Now put the another layer over it. Now pour the cream at the top. Spread it also. Put it in the plate. For the garnish, I will be using carrot here. This is the grated carrot, which I have sauteed with little bit of butter and little bit of sugar. It has a caramelized flavor. Add little bit of crushed walnut. I have toasted these walnuts. When you will be making this cake, you can also add these walnuts into the filling. when you are before the baking, when you are making the mix of the cake. Here I have some chocolate garnish here. Now here our carrot cake with cream cheese frosting is ready. Please try it to make it at your home and send us the pictures in the group. Hope all of you will like this recipe. Thank you very much.